Well, you know, I love this topic. I mean, this is something that we really enjoy sharing info with people. So, in today's conversation, what I want to do, I want to share with viewers the top 10 high limit credit cards that approve a FICO score of 585 minimum, and they approve it immediately. Don't you go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Studio Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you had to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to share with you the top 10 high-limit credit cards that approve FICO scores of 585 minimum immediately, as long as you have the right conditions with the institutions. Okay, so number 10, folks, we have the Key Cashback. Our score, 7.5 over 10. And this is a card that we like because the card gives you 2% cash back. There's no annual fee. This is really good. And this kind of card, you want to use it for balance transfers also, because you have a 0% introductory APR for the first 12 billing cycles on balance transfers made in the first 60 days. This is really good. And after that, your APR will range from 17.24% to 24.24% based on your credit. Okay, so this is really good, and we love the fact that this is a card that has a lot of benefits. You can earn at least 1.5% cash back. You can redeem your cash back easily. You have access to your FICO score, and this comes with all key bank credit cards. Okay, and all the benefits of MasterCard also. We're talking about what? ID theft protection, zero liability protection, and more. So this is really good. Key cashback 7.5 over 10. Number 9, we have the Chase Freedom Flex. Our score, 8 over 10. This is a great card also. And the card gives you a $200 bonus plus 5% gas station cashback offer. This is really good. So in effect, if you are a new card holder, you can earn a $200 bonus after you spend $500 on purchases in the first 3 months from the account opening period, okay? And you can earn 5% cash back on gas station purchases on up to $6,000 spent in the first year. So this is really good, okay? And what we love with this card is that the APR is kind of decent. So you're looking at 14.99% to 23.74%. This is really good. So you can earn 5% on travel purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards. You can earn 3% on dining at restaurants, including takeouts and eligible delivery services. You can earn 3% on drugstore purchases, and you can earn 1% on all other purchases. So this is really good. And so overall, Chase Freedom Flex, we are talking about 8 over 10 as our score. Number 8 rather, we have the Fifth Third Truly Simple. Our score, 8 over 10. This is another wonderful nugget in terms of introductory APR, because check this out. They are allowing you to have a 0% intro APR for what? 18 months. 18 months after the account is open. So we are talking about 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers. This is really, really good. Okay. And after that, your APR is kind of decent too. You're looking at 12.24% to 23.24%. This is really good. And the card has no annual fee. The card has a zero liability. You have MasterCard ID theft protection. You have MasterCard Priceless Cities. This is something where there's a program where you can actually enhance your travel plans. And you also have access to the MasterCard Global Service. So this is really good. And the card so this card doesn't have a lot of rewards except the travel part and also the balance transfer part. So this is really good. So if you are interested in any of those two categories, if you will, go with the Fifth Third Truly Simple, 8 over 10. Number 7, folks, we have here the Truest Enjoy Cash. Our score, 8.5 over 10. Here is another nugget of I would say just the joy, because you can earn unlimited rewards. You choose how. Okay, you can earn a 3% cash back on gas and 2% on utilities and groceries with a combined $1,000 monthly spend cap. and 1% on all other eligible purchases, okay? Or that's the first option, or you can choose to earn 1.5% on all eligible purchases. So you have two options. So the card has no annual fee. So you have a loyalty cash bonus when you actually redeem it into a Truist deposit account. You have 0% intro APR on purchases for 12 months after account opening, okay? And after that, the APR goes from 13.49% to 22.49% variable APR on purchases. So this is really good, okay? And you have, so the card overall is kind of cool, okay? The card also has customizable card controls for added security. You have contactless payments and mobile wallets for faster checkout. This is really good. And you have Visa zero liability protection against unauthorized card use. Number 6, folks, we are talking about Bank of America customized cash rewards. Our score 8.5 over 10. So with this card, you actually have an intro bonus offer of $200. Okay, this is an online cash rewards bonus offer and 3% cash back in the category of your choice. So with this card, you actually have rotating categories, which demands a little bit of tracking, a little bit of maintenance. But if you are into that kind of activity, I would say go ahead and do it. Okay, so you have 3% cash back in the category of your choice, 2% cash back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs on the first $2,500 in combined choice category, grocery store, wholesale club purchases each quarter. So, and 1% cash back on all other purchases. This is what I was just telling you earlier. It's all about rotating categories. Okay, so your choice categories include gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, or home improvement / furnishings. Okay, so to change your choice category for future purchases, you must go online or use the mobile banking app. So the APR actually goes from 14.24% to 24.24%. But what we love with this card is that you have 0% intro APR for your first 15 billing cycles for purchases and balance transfers. That's just fantastic. Remember that the balance transfers must be made within the first 60 days of opening your account. Number 5, folks, we have here Navy Fed Cash Rewards. Our score 9 over 10. Here is another nugget of joy. We love this card because you can actually earn $200 bonus cash back. So the card is actually great for getting cash back, everyday spending, and people who have an average to excellent credit. If you have 585 minimum or 580, if you have a right relationship with the Navy Fed, they will take you. Okay, and the card has an APR that goes from 9.65% to 18%. The card has no annual fees, no balance transfer fee, no foreign transaction fees, no cash advance, no fees at all. Okay, this is really great, and you have you can earn up to 1.75% cash back on all purchases. Okay, you can start redeeming rewards as soon as you earn them. This is really good. No rewards limit, no rewards expiration while the account is open, and the card also comes with a collision damage waiver. So overall, this is a great card from a great institution. Navy Fed Cash Rewards credit card. Our score 9 over 10. Number 4, folks, we have here Capital One Quicksilver One. Our score 9 over 10, and here is a card that allows you to earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase every day. Okay, and so this is really good. But the card does have an annual fee of $39, and the purchase rate is 27.24% variable APR. You have automatic credit line reviews, so you can actually get upgraded to a higher credit card within 6 months if you use the card responsibly. Okay, and the card comes with CreditWise, which is Capital One's credit monitoring service, which is free, whether you are a card holder or not. And the card also has fraud coverage. You have tap to pay, account alerts, auto pay. This is really good. You can see monthly recurring transactions. You can add authorized users. The card also has a balance transfer features, and you have 24/7 customer service. Fantastic. Capital One Quicksilver One, 9 over 10. Number 3, another Capital One card. That's the Capital One Platinum card. Our score 9.5 over 10. So this is a great card because it allows you to it actually gives you a soft pull. So it allows you to see if you're pre-approved with no risk to your credit score. This is really good. The card has no annual fee. The purchase rate is the same thing, 27.24%. Okay, and the same process happens here. So you are automatically considered for a higher credit line in as little as 6 months. Okay, you can enjoy unlimited access to your credit score and tools to help you monitor your credit profile. So this comes from CreditWise from Capital One. This is a service that Capital One has. And one thing I want to say here is that if you have a low FICO score, you are more likely to get the Capital One Platinum than you are to get the Capital One Quicksilver one. In other words, if you have a FICO score of 585 or 590, so Capital One Platinum caters more to folks in that category, okay? But anything is possible. We have seen folks who got approved for the Capital One Quicksilver one with a FICO score of 575. It's about the relationship. It's about your assets. It's about your net worth. Okay, this is not just about your credit score. Credit score is only one criterion here. Okay, so overall, the Capital One Platinum, 9.5 over 10. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another session of the Awesome Sorted Kiwi Show. We are also having a conversation about the top 10 high-limit credit cards that approve FICO scores of 585 minimum immediately. So we have a number 2. We have the U.S. Bank Altitude Gold Visa Signature. Our score, 9.5 over 10. And here is a card that allows you to earn 20,000 bonus points worth $200, okay? And you can get a decision in as little as 60 seconds. This is really good. And the card is packed with rewards. Fantastic. So for instance, you have 4x points on dining, takeout, and restaurant delivery, 2x points at grocery stores, grocery delivery, streaming services, gas stations, and EV charging stations. This is really good. 1x points on all other eligible purchases. Okay, and the APR here, the APR goes from 15.24% to 24.24%. This is really good. And you can enjoy a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 12 billing cycles. And after that, you have the APR I just gave you, okay? And the card has no foreign transaction fees. This is really good. And you can redeem points instantly. This is really good. So the US Bank Altitude Gold Visa Signature, our score, 9.5 over 10. Number 1, the best of the best when it comes to the top 10 high limit credit cards that approve FICO scores of 585 minimum immediately. We have the PNC Cash Rewards Visa, our score, 10 over 10. And this is a card that allows you to really maximize your cash back every single day. You can earn 4% on gas station purchases, 3% on dining purchases at restaurants, including fast food. You earn 2% on grocery store purchases, 1% on all other purchases, okay? So this is really good. So the bottom line is what? The bottom line is that you will earn at least 1% cash back on purchases everywhere, every time. This is really good. And the cap is $8,000, okay? So we're talking about the first $8,000 in combined purchases in these categories annually, okay? And one thing we love is that cashback is automatic. There's no need to enroll or track rotating categories. Things happen in the background automatically, and PNC Cash Rewards Visa will hook you up. To actually benefit from this card, if you have a low credit score, it's a great and even recommended to have a credit history with them, to bank with them. That will help you a lot. Before we close to this conversation, let me just say something that's very important here. So I've been giving you here the cards that you might be approved for, and if you have a fair credit or poor credit. It's also important to understand that before you even apply for a credit card, you want to check your credit score, right? Because you never know, because sometimes you might be thinking, well, my credit score is bad because that's what you've been told, but you never actually you never ordered a copy of the report and see exactly what is your credit on your credit score, on your credit report. What I'm trying to say here is that it's really important to make sure that all the information is accurate. If there is anything wrong, you want to ascertain, you want to confirm, you want to dispute it if needed, you want to send a letter to Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. You definitely want to fight Whatever you believe is derogatory wrongly, in other words, it's not true. Okay, this is important to do. You want to determine also the type of card that you need. So once you actually clean your FICO score and make sure that everything is clean on Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, you need to start thinking about what type of card you need. This is important. Do you want a rewards credit card? Do you want a cashback credit card? Are you looking for a credit card to transfer your balances? What do you have to consolidate debt? What are you looking for? Okay, and please make sure that you understand the terms of your credit card application. We are talking here about things like your grace period, things like your due date, things like your APR, all the constellation of fees from penalty fees to foreign transaction fees. You really need to understand. I'm not asking you to understand everything 100%, but at least have a clear idea in general of what it is about. Okay, and always trying to see if you are pre-qualified. A lot of cards on this list actually allow you to have a soft pull, so you have a clear idea whether you might qualify for the card before even applying. That way you are saving your FICO score, your FICO report, and not getting dinged, not getting reduced by 10 points or 15 points every time you want to apply for credit. Okay, and please, once you are given a card, please use the card responsibly. Okay, and this is really important so that if anything happens, at least you know that it was not your fault. Okay, because a lot of credit card issuers, they actually will review your account automatically, and after 6 months they will just bump you up if everything looks fine. All right, folks, before I close today's conversation, I want you to check this credit card evaluation approach video. It talks about our methodology when it comes to reviewing, categorizing, and listing credit cards on this show. Check this out. All right, folks, I was talking to you today about the top 10 high limit credit cards that approve FICO scores of 585 minimum immediately. Number 1, we have PNC Cash Rewards Visa, 10 over 10. Number 2, the US Bank Altitude Gold Visa Signature, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, the Capital One Platinum, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, we have the Capital One Quicksilver One, 9 over 10. Number 5, we have the Navy Fed Cash Rewards Credit Card, 9 over 10. Number 6, we have the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards, 8.5 over 10. Number 7, we have the Truist Enjoy Cash, 8.5 over 10. Number 8, we have the Fifth Third Truly Simple, 8 over 10. Number 9, we have Chase Freedom Flex, 8 over 10. And number 10, last but not the least, we have a Key Cashback, 7.5 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I will speak to you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.